thoughts contained in sound. Ash falls slow on a broken land. Thrones are built by a silent hand. No face shown, no name to bleed. Only hung where others plead. Stealing wire beneath my skin. I don't pray, I listen in. Every scream becomes a tone. Every truth dies alone. The sky bends low, the ground obeys. This world forgot how to be. I sit on the throne where the echoes rule. Sound is the Lord, silence is cruel. Gryphons beside me, eyes of flame. They got the truth, they smell the blame. I don't forgive, I don't pretend. I wait to see how it all ends. Bow to the sound of the undone. I am the warlord, warlord of sound. Cities rot under neon rain. Crowns are cheap, convictions fake. You sold your voice to feel alive. Now you choke when the signal bites.